On our quest to make anime popular in India and becoming the number one YouTuber, we need innovative ideas. We could make more review videos or even podcast, but there was nothing that could define our channel. And then one day, one member suggested, let's make FAQ videos.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Well, we didn't have many ideas going at that time, so we agreed to it. For those who don't know, FAQ means frequently asked questions. In this series, we will try to answer frequently asked bizarre, dumb questions about modern pop culture. So, welcome to the first episode in the series. Best way to answer bizarre questions is by starting with a bizarre fandom. You know it, you saw the title and the thumbnail. In this video, we will answer some FAQs about JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. So, let's get started. Question 1. Who is JoJo? And what's this JoJo's Bizarre Adventure all about? As an otaku, you will always have that one friend. That one friend who just won't stop talking about JoJo. In any kind of situation, that guy will be like, have you seen JoJo? You're hanging out with your friends. Have you seen JoJo? Your dog just died. Dude, you gotta watch JoJo now. Your COVID test is positive. You haven't watched JoJo. You should watch JoJo now. So, what is this JoJo's Bizarre Adventure? The immensely popular manga JoJo's Bizarre Adventure by Hirohiko Araki launched in 1987 and is currently in its 8th part. Each part of the shonen series follows a different member or JoJo of the Joestar family, a long lineage of superhuman heroes destined to fight evil. JoJo's anime adaptations from David Production adhere to this structure, and each season tackling a new part of the history-spanning manga. So I present you the 8 parts of JoJo so far. Part 1. Phantom Blood, the one with Dio's backstory. Part 2. Battle Tendency, the one with the Aztec gods and the Nazis. Part 3. Stardust Crusaders, the one most popular and known for its meme, and probably the reason why you're here. Part 4. Diamond is Unbreakable, the one which kinda looks high but it's not. Part 5. Golden Wind, the shonen one. Part 6. Stone Ocean, the one with the girl. Part 7. Steel Ball Run, the reboot to the franchise, and the one which you will probably read because the anime will take too long to release. And Part 8. JoJo Lion, the one which looks like it's high and it actually is high. And there are also some spin-off series regarding which we might make a video later. So as you see, there are 8 main parts of JoJo so far, and each protagonist of each story has the nickname JoJo. But only Jonathan and Joseph are called JoJo. I don't know why. So you see, the protagonist of each part is JoJo and has a very bizarre adventure. Like, really bizarre. And hence the name of the series, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Question 2. Is JoJo gay? Of course. She is gay. Haven't you guys read the news? It's all good. Alright. Answering this question is seriously quite complex. So hear me out. JoJo is flamboyant. That's how Araki made the characters. There are LGBT characters in JoJo, but liking or disliking JoJo doesn't determine you to be gay. Yes, there are strong men in JoJo who I admire. And yes, the characters are doing weird poses and wearing weird clothes. But that doesn't decide one's sexual orientation. So if you are gay, that's cool. If you're straight, that's cool too. Calling the fans gay is used to express the flamboyant nature of the JoJo series and the fans. There, I said it. You guys can now fight in the comments. Question 3. Does JoJo end with part 6? If so, then why is there a part 7 and part 8? Well, yes, but actually no. The JoJo universe started from the Phantom Blood, which ends at part 6, Stone Ocean. And from part 7, Steel Ball Run, it is actually the reboot of the franchise. Now this may feel like milking of the franchise, so before you give an opinion, go read JoJo Steel Ball Run and thank me later. Question 4. Why does JoJo's art style keep changing in every part? Well, that is the beauty of JoJo. I personally think that the different art styles JoJo has is what makes JoJo even better. May it be the yellow sky of Morio to the changing color palette of Phantom Blood. The different art styles make JoJo unique and different from other anime. The reason behind this can be Araki Sensei's changing art style. JoJo has been serialized in manga since 1984, and since then, Araki Sensei's art style has changed for good. This change can obviously be seen on the visuals in screen, and to stay true to the roots of JoJo, David Production might have decided to stick to Araki's changing art styles. Question 5. Why does Araki Sensei not age? Is he a vampire? Hirohiko Araki became 60 years old in 2020, and he still looks the same. This has led to a crazy speculation in fans saying that he's an immortal vampire like Dio. To which my answer is, he's not a vampire. He's a perfectly functioning human being. At least I hope so. Question 6. When will JoJo Part 6 be animated? We finally got an announcement about JoJo Part 6 on 4th April at the JoJo Special Animation event. There is no official date announced yet, but we got the confirmation, which is better than nothing. According to the event on 3rd July, there will probably be another big event on 8th of August, which will mostly include the release date for the anime, or at the very least, a short teaser. Also, if we look at the release of the previous series, none of them were released in the summer season. So July is off. Part 3 Season 1 and Part 4 were in spring, that's April, which is like a year away. I believe that Stone Ocean won't take so long. So that leaves us with the fall, that's October 2021. So let's keep our fingers crossed. We will let you know as soon as the date is announced on Instagram, so go follow us there. Well, these were the most common questions about JoJo that we found. The number may seem small, but this is an experimental video. If it performs well, we will make more of this series. If you have any more questions about JoJo or any other fandom, or have a request for what kind of next FAQ video we should do, so please share it in the comments. We will try to answer the questions. Anyways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's it for the video. I'll see you guys next time.